Now it's time to be scary time. Okay, so it wasn't raining a second ago. Out of the blue, thunder just struck. It was light out. It was light out. And thunder strikes. 30 seconds later, it's now gloomy and pouring rain. Don't worry about my hand color. That's not important. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, look how windy it is. I feel like literal trees are gonna fall down. Bro, oh my god. I really hope none of those trees fall down. I was legit just about to record a dang video. And then this happens. Just all of a sudden, I just hear thunder. And then just pouring rain like 10 seconds later. Oh my god, you hear that? Oh my... Oh no. Dude, okay. This is what we gotta deal with in New York. And I kinda don't like that. It's kinda not so PogChamp. Oh! Oh my god, look at me. I legit hate thunderstorms. And this one was bad, so I thought I could just, you know, record it. Because why not? I was going to record a normal video, but I guess this is going to be the video. All of this just started happening in a matter of 30 seconds. Hold on. Let's go outside now. We're going outside, gamers. Oh my god! Dude! Do you hear how loud this is? Look at it! Look at the driveway! Look at everything! Dude! Oh! Oh my god! Oh, no, look at the flower garden! No! No! My mom worked so hard with that! Look at that! These plants finna die. Ugh, you know, just having a normal day in New York. Normal day in New York. Just a normal summer storm. Summer afternoon here in New York. Okay, guys, have I shown you this new bug thing? Yeah. Whoa. It's actually blue in the camera. The actual color is purple, but it's blue on camera. What? That's actually kind of cool. The pizza box got drenched. Bro, imagine making a whole video on a frickin' thunderstorm. See guys, my skin wasn't actually orange. It was just because of the room I was in. It was just because of the lighting, you know? I'm not orange. Yo, we still got birds. I just heard a bird just freaking singing. Wait, I know that sound. That's George the red black-winged bird, whatever it's called. It's George. George! Hi, George! How you doing, George? George! Hi! George! What's up, George? I haven't seen you in a while. What's up, George? Yo, it's my boy George. It's my boy George. Okay, the rain is calming down a bit. That's good. That's exactly what we need. It's exactly what we need. We just need the rain to calm down. Do it for George. Do it for George. I'm gonna go back inside. Guys, the storm calmed down.